If you're looking for the best, new expensive Casio G-Shock watches based on specifications, you're in the right place. All the watches buying links are given in the video description. Number 9. Casio G-Shock GM B2100. Wow, what a great piece, worth every penny. Type wristwatch. Reference number GM B2100D 1AJF. Movement quartz. Dial color black. Band color silver. Band material stainless steel. Display analog and digital. Number 8. Casio G-Shock GW G1000. Simple, clean, nice watch for a reasonable price. Band material resin. Dial color black. Watch shape round. Style military. Case size 59.5 by 56.1 by 18 millimeters. Features water resistant with manual/booklet, yes. Case material resin. Display analog and digital. Number 7. Casio G-Shock GWF D1000 Frogman. Case color black, blue, black. Water resistance 200 meters. Movement quartz. Indices 12 hours. Dial 24-hour. Dial. Caseback. Screw caseback. Type wristwatch. Band color black. Band material carbon fiber. Lug width 22 millimeters. Dial color black. Watch shape round. Case size 59.2 millimeters. Features date indicator. Backlight. Atomic/radio controlled. Alarm. Moon phase. LED display. Day indicator. Case material stainless steel resin. Display digital. Number 6. Casio G-Shock MTG B1000D. Water resistance 200 meters. Movement quartz. Indices 12-hour. Dial 12-hour. Dial 24-hour. Dial. Seconds hand. Multiple hands. Band/strap. Bracelet. Case color silver. Type wristwatch. Band color red, silver, gray. Band material stainless steel. Dial color black. Watch shape round. Style diver, sport, luxury, casual. Features water resistant, shock resistant, date indicator, backlight, atomic/radio controlled, power reserve indicator, alarm, sapphire crystal, day indicator, chronograph. Case material sapphire resin. Display analog digital. Number 5. Casio G-Shock MTG B1000 XBD. This watch is marvelous and very easy to adjust. Item shape round. Dial window material type sapphire crystal. Display type analog. Case material resin/carbon. Case diameter 5.2 centimeters. Case thickness 14.4 millimeters. Band material resin. Band color black. Dial color black. Item weight 6.03 ounces. Movement quartz. Number 4. Casio G-Shock Frogman GWF A1000. The new GWF A1000s are the first analog models for the Frogman series of Master of G ISO 200 meter diver level water resistant watches. Maintaining the asymmetrical face design that has been the iconic look of this series since its start in 1993, these new models show home, time, dual time, tide information, and dive time measurement in analog format. The carbon monologue structure of this model incorporates the case and back cover into a single unit. Display type analog. Clasp tang buckle. Case material resin. Case diameter 5.3 centimeters. Case thickness 19.7 millimeters. Band material resin. Dial color black. Item weight 4.2 ounces. Movement Japanese quartz. Number 3. Casio G-Shock MTG B2000PH. The MTG B2000PH is a special model based on the carbon MTG B2000 with a Blue Phoenix themed design. The blue phoenix is a legendary bird whose appearance is said to be a harbinger of good things to come. Both the bezel and the case of this model have a rainbow ion plated finish for a striking design. Display type, analog. Clasp, tang buckle. Case diameter, 5.1 centimeters. Case thickness, 15.9 millimeters. Band width, 26.8 millimeters. Dial color, blue. Item weight, 4.48 ounces. Movement, quartz. Number 2. Casio G-Shock MRG B2000B. The watch is very accurate and comfortable with a great wrist presence. Case/bezel material, titanium. Solid band, tight lock. One press, 3-fold clasp, titanium band. Sapphire glass with non-reflective coating. Neo-Bright magnetic resistant. Shock resistant. Crew lock crown. Deep layer hardening plus DLC coating. 200 meter water resistance. Tough solar. Solar powered. LED light. Super illuminator. Frequency 77.5 kHz. Station name MSF, Anthorn, England. Frequency 60 kHz. Station name WWVB, Fort Collins, United States. Frequency 60 kHz. Station name JJY, Fukushima, Fukuoka/Saga, Japan. Frequency 40 kHz. Fukushima 60 kHz. Fukuoka/Saga. Station name BPC, Shanxi City, Henan Province, China. Frequency 68.5 kHz. Mobile link, wireless linking using Bluetooth. The auto hand home position correction. Size of case 54.7 by 49.8 by 16.9 millimeters. Total weight 150 grams. Number 1. Casio G-Shock G-Squad Pro GSW H1000. Water resistance 200 meters. Watch shape round. Style casual sport. Case color black. Complications altimeter. Case material resin. Movement quartz. Band material resin. Type wristwatch. Features 24-hour dial, 12-hour dial, alarm, atomic/radio controlled, backlight, Bluetooth, chronograph, date indicator, day indicator, GPS, bezel color, black, indices, Arabic numerals, dial color, black, band color, black, display, digital.